Our upcoming parent training workshop will be comprehensive. Here's what we will cover. Firstly, prior to the workshop, we will be spending some time with parents and the child. During that time, you will learn about the challenges parents are facing and will also have the opportunity to have an informal observation of your child. By doing so, we will have an understanding of your challenges and get to know your child a little more. After the meetings, we will commence the training with didactic lecture. There will be role-play opportunities for parents to practice how to manage behaviors before they work with their child. These role-play opportunities will help parents have a clearer understanding of what and how they should carry out the steps, and this increases preparedness and high success. A big part of this training will be the hands-on practice that parents will have with their child. Like the saying goes, practice makes perfect, and parents will be provided with lots of support and guidance during the practices, as at the end of the day, our goal is to equip the parents with more confidence in managing their child and be able to apply what they learned with us at home. This training will culminate with review, discussion, and question and answer session. This is another important day as it is critical that parents are provided with opportunities to reflect on all that has occurred during the last 3 days of training, to ask any questions they may still have, so that they will leave the training with not only increased knowledge about behaviors, how to manage the child better, but also the sense of excitement and increased confidence to apply what they have